Marian and welcome to the Mathematics in the Modern World vlog.
Hey guys! For today's video, I'm going to tackle about patterns. So without further ado, let's get started.
So, the first one is Fibonacci number or series, which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. For example, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. And so on. Fibonacci numbers, for instance, can be found in taro plants because it can often found in the arrangement of leaves around a stem. A flowers is an also example of Fibonacci sequence because it's allow for the maximum of seed heads, so the flower uses its space to optimal effect. So, let's now proceed to another pattern, fractals. It is a never-ending pattern that looks similar at any scale and repeat itself over time. Example, the leaves of fern. First, notice that the shape of the fern is intricately detailed, and you can see that the leaves are shaped like a little copies of. We also have golden ratio. It is a special number approximately equal to 1.618 and also a graph that called golden spiral. Rose is an example of a golden ratio because the petals of it growing out of the stem manifest this ratio. Look at this cat. It has a shape of a golden spiral.
And that's all for today's video. Hang in there, keep learning, and thank you for watching.